Hello, Kidventurers. Today we are going to meet 10 amazing dinosaurs. Some lived on the land, some flew in the sky, and some swam in the water. After we meet them, we'll play a fun game to guess their names. Are you ready? Let's go back to the world of dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus Rex. You can call it T-Rex for short. This is the T-Rex. It has a big head, tiny arms, and sharp teeth. Triceratops. Here is the Triceratops. It has 3 horns and a big frill on its head. Stegosaurus. Look, the Stegosaurus has plates on its back and a spiky tail. Velociraptor. This is the Velociraptor. It's small but very fast. Brachiosaurus. Wow, the Brachiosaurus has a long neck to eat leaves from tall trees. Spinosaurus. Meet the Spinosaurus. It has a big sail on its back and likes water. Ankylosaurus. Here's the Ankylosaurus. It has hard armor and a heavy tail. Pteranodon. Look up, the Pteranodon flies in the sky with its big wings. Mosasaurus. This is the Mosasaurus. It swims in the deep ocean. Plesiosaurus. The Plesiosaurus swims with its flippers and has a long neck. Great job! We met 10 awesome dinosaurs. Now it's time for a game. Can you guess the dinosaurs from their shadows? Let's play! Here's a big shadow with a big head and tiny arms. Who is it? It's the T-Rex, the king of dinosaurs. This shadow has 3 horns. Can you guess who it is? Yes, it's the Triceratops. Great job! Look at this shadow. Do you see the plates on its back? Who is this? It's the Stegosaurus. Well done! This shadow is small and quick. Can you guess? It's the Velociraptor. Fantastic! Look at the long neck in this shadow. Who is it? It's the Brachiosaurus. Well done! This shadow has a big sail on its back. Do you know who it is? It's the Spinosaurus. Oh, great guessing! This shadow has a hard body and a big tail. Who is it? It's the Ankylosaurus. Well done! This shadow has wings and flies in the sky. Who is it? It's the Pteranodon. Amazing! This shadow swims in the ocean. Can you guess? Yes, it's the Mosasaurus. Look at the flippers and long neck in this shadow. Who is it? It's the Plesiosaurus. Fantastic! Wow, you did such a great job guessing all the dinosaurs. Which one is your favourite? And don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to Kidventurers for more fun videos. See you soon, little explorers. See ya!